Good morning, dear children. All of you open chapter 6 or environment. Children, now we are learning our chapter 6 or environment, right? We have learned what is environment, what is pollution, and what are the different types of pollutions, air pollution and land pollution. So in our today's class we are going to continue from water pollution. Okay, water pollution is an act of causing harm to the water bodies. So water pollution is nothing but doing harm to the water bodies or causing harm to the water bodies. Some of the human activities that pollute water are, so what are the human activities that pollute water? See here, throwing waste into rivers and other water bodies. So we are throwing waste into rivers and other water bodies. See here, we have thrown polythene bags, plastic bottles, plates and all these. So throwing waste into water bodies makes water pollution. Next one, releasing harmful waste from factories into rivers. So we are releasing harmful waste from factories into rivers. So this is also one of the cause for water pollution. See here, these are the harmful waste. We are releasing all these waste into rivers. Next one, washing clothes in rivers. See in this picture, this lady is washing clothes in the rivers. In this way she is polluting the water. Okay, next, bathing of animals and human beings in rivers. Yes, this boy is bathing animals in rivers. Even here we can see one boy is taking bath in the rivers. So they are causing pollution to the water. So these are the activities that pollute water. Next comes noise pollution. Noise pollution is the act of disturbing the environment with unpleasant and loud sounds. So if you hear two loud sounds, you will feel pleasant or unpleasant, children? We feel unpleasant, irritating like. So noise pollution is the act of disturbing the environment. We disturb the environment with loud sounds, with unpleasant sounds. Okay, some of the sounds that pollute our environment are, so there are some of the sounds that pollute our environment. We human beings do those. First one, loud machines in factories. So there are loud machines. Here we can see loud machines in factories. So they makes lots of sounds. So this is also one of the important cause for noise pollution. Next one, unnecessary honking of horns by people driving vehicles. So while driving vehicles, people use unnecessary honk sounds, so which we feel so irritating like. So those sounds also cause noise pollution. Loud music in vehicles and at public places. So at public places and in vehicles also we keep loud music. That is also one of the cause for noise pollution. Next one, bursting firecrackers. So especially in Diwali we burst firecrackers, right? So in special days also we used to firecrackers. So bursting firecrackers also makes noise pollution as well as air pollution also. Saving environment. Human activity is slowly destroying the environment. Yes, we the human beings, due to our activities, we are slowly destroying the environment. Therefore, it is our duty to protect and preserve it. Yes, it's our duty to protect and preserve our environment. When we keep our environment clean, we live a hygienic life. Yes, if our surroundings are clean, we will be hygienic. Hygienic means clean and unlikely to cause disease. Okay, we live a hygienic life. How can we save our environment, children? See, We should plant more trees. Trees make the air fresh and clean. So, in order to save our environment, we have to plant more trees. Trees, see how greenery it looks. So, we have to plant more trees in order to save our environment. We should use vehicles fitted with CNG kits instead of using petroleum. So instead of using petrol, we have to use the cars using CNG kits. Okay. We should not use polythene bags and use only bags made of cloth and paper. We should avoid polythene. So we have to use paper bags or cloth bags. Okay, in order to save our environment. We should always use garbage bins to throw garbage, and we have to use dustbins to throw all the dust. We should not throw it anywhere else. So by following all these, we can save our environment. Okay, this is all about the chapter, children. Bye all of you. Thank you, children.